Hey, Graham, how's it going? Long time no see, my man. How are you doing?
Good. How's Hawaii?
Ah, amazing, man. Beautiful sun.
Yeah, what are you up to today?
Just coming from the studio, grabbing some lunch.
What kind of studio do you got?
It's a video studio. Video, audio.
I'm sick. I've actually got a couple of videos I want to shoot.
Yeah? I have a free afternoon right now if you want to check it out.
I'd love to. Let's go. Just around the corner.
Yeah, let's go.
So if I'm looking at selling my home, how does replacing my poly B affect my home's value?
So not just for selling, but buying a home too. Without your replacement of your poly B system done, you're definitely going to diminish your property, and it won't just always be by the cost of the poly B replacement. We've got other factors involved too. Like if I was buying a home from you right now, and I go, well, you don't have your piping replaced, not only am I going to have to spend that $15,000 to $20,000 to get the piping replaced, but I'll probably have to bridge the mortgage between the house I'm in right now and your house, because I can't live in your house while the work's being done. So I'll have to bridge it for 10 days. And that's going to add on to the factor. So I would consider that being a diminutive value of your property.
That's great to consider. Thank you.
It's definitely some information. No one really goes into depth about the cons of not replacing it.
Right. Yeah. No, that's great. Thank you.
No problem.